With this. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Oh, one. No! What's up, everybody? My name is Rofox, and today it's so cold. God damn it! What's happening? Oh, that's right. We're in the ice zone of Kill the Plumber. I'm just gonna dive in because I just goddamn love this. I just goddamn love it. Just play, play. God damn it! Our numbers are plummeting. He will pay with blood. Who are you? Wait, is that the Bomb King? I don't know, but he looks really cool. Whee! Oh, god damn it, no! Mario! Beep! Oh my god, my voice. Whoa, what was that? Some squeaky voices still out there. Oh no, how is he gonna survive this? Oh god damn it, Mario! Get him it. I thought you would fail. God, I need to do this at the I hate those types of levels. Ah, yes! Because you need to time it perfectly. Go forward, go back more. But I hate those types of things. Oh no. No, stay under the rock. And jump. No, Mario, no! Go higher. No, Mario, no! You need to go on the rock. God. Oh, Mario, I hate you so much. Hey, Mario, you need to be. Yes, okay, good to. Mario! Mario! Ah! Yes! Oh, I crushed him under that rock. You can never escape me, Mario. I will always follow you. Jump! God freaking penis check! Okay, run, 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 run. No, you jump. Ah! Come on, Mario! Get that one coin! Get that one! No, no, no! Why did you didn't jump? Why didn't you jump, Mario? You're a goddamn fat loser! That's why you didn't jump! Because you're a goddamn fat loser! And you don't want to be a fat loser, do you? Oh, Mario! Run for my life! Run for my squeaky... No! No fucking Jesus God! No! Come on, Mario! Come on, catch me! Catch me if you can, Mario! Catch me if you... And he's got... Hey! I tried to die a little bit sooner, but hey. Who am I to touch? Mario! Oh, fuck! Hell yeah! I was just standing there, I was like, he's probably gonna kill me! But I don't... Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Oh no! Don't kill us! Oh wait, I think... Oh, I need to do something like this. Okay, let me restart, let me restart, let me restart. I know what I need to do now. No, I don't. No. What in the world do I need to do? Yes! That's how you do it! You just walk around! Oh yes, fire. Oh, no! No, don't hit me! Don't hit me with your Oh, the one guy was walking on... How did I do that? Mario! Protect your butt! God freaking penis shit! I don't get that. Don't hit me with your balls! No! No, don't hit me with your balls! Oh! What do I... Oh, I need to survive. Oh, Oh! Why didn't you goddamn tell me in the fucking beginning? I thought I did goddamn murder him! Oh my god. Am I just doing it by just walking around? No! No! What the fuck? Just keep walking! No! He couldn't hit me! That's not what you should have done, Mario! Oh no! Go back, go back! He's a maniac! He only wants our children! He only wants... God freaking damn it! Oh! Oh no! 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 Come on, Mario, come on! Beep, 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 beep. You're a sheep. Beep, beep, you're a sheep. Beep, beep. No! What? 2 seconds! 2 this. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Oh, one. No! Move this guy. Move this guy. Move this guy. Move this guy. Move. Fuck shit. It's. How did I do this? How did I do that? No! 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 I could have almost won that! I hate that. If there were only two, I could have done it, but the fucking third is too much. Ah! No! Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, where's the fireball going? Yes! 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 Oh my god, Mario, you... I could have... Destroy your fireballs. Oh no. Keep walking around! Hello! Keep destroying me. Wait, how in the world am I gonna get it? Maybe. I need to... Oh my god, do I need to do this? Oh my god, no! Oh my god, no! No! Fuck you! I'm not doing this! Ah! Ah! Mario, you freak! Oh my god, wait, how did I do this? Ah! Oh! Oh! Yes! Oh my god, I'm so happy that I got him! Oh my god! What do I need to do? What can I do? Oh, I can throw I can throw snowballs! I can throw snowballs! Oh my god, that's so cool! Ah! Yep. Fucking shit! I can't jump to there! I'm too weak! Is it going? Is it doing it? Hey, it killed him! I needed to bounce! That's super cool! You don't know how cool this is! Yes! Okay, I want to do this again. I want to do this. Oh no! Oh no, no, I'm dead. Yes! But I still got 2 stars! I still got 2 stars! Eee! Oh my god, I need to bounce this again, don't I? How far do I need to jump? Do I need to kill myself or something? Oh! Okay, I want to try this again. I want to retry this again. Or no, let me just go to the next level just to be sure. Oh! Just pressing buttons apparently works. Yeah, no! Wait. Oh, I think I know what I need to do. But I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. Yes! Almost! Yes! Ah! No, Mario! If you wait a little bit Wait. Go. Ah! Okay, ding. Go. Ah! Yes! Oh my god, you don't know how long it took me this long. Oh my god, I don't know, like I said, I don't know how long. But it took me so long. Not 19 seconds, it took me at least 5 minutes or something to finally find out the pattern. Holy shit. Oh yeah, I know what I need to do. I know what I need to do. Ah, I got tired. But how am I gonna do it? Oh! I didn't know I could kill him with this! I thought I needed to let him jump in the spikes. Oh! Okay! I'm happy with this! Boink! Okay, I need to shoot it a little bit sooner. What I need to do? I think I know what I need to do. Yes! Like I said, I know I need to let him jump in the spikes. I know I need to let him jump in the spikes. That was too easy. What can you? Oh! Oh! Is there a guy that can throw his shell? I don't remember. I don't remember. But, oh, or is that the mole? Is it the mole type of thing? That could be the mole type of thing. Oh, he's invincible. How in the world? Oh, I think I get it. I think I get it. Yes! Yes, like I said. Oh, my God, he's just jumping there. 100 lives lost, yes! Oh, I love you, Mario. Oh, yeah, and here is the same. So... Oh, okay, I get it. I get it. I get it. Nope, we're gonna die. Yes, yes, run, run, run. Ah, go away! And jump over, yes! Okay. Jump! Oh, 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 but how are we gonna kill you now? Are you just gonna run into us? Wait, how do we need to kill you? And then? Do we need to... Oh wait, maybe it's to jump. Ah! Inside of us or something? Maybe one of us? Oh no. No, 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 we're doomed, we're doomed, we're doomed. Yes, Mario, yes! Keep jumping, Mario! That's the only thing you're supposed to do! Otherwise you can't do anything, because you're a plumber! What? 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 What did I do special? Okay, I accept this! I accept... Oh my god. What? That wasn't a good... What? That was not good? Oh! Okay, I have to do this, but... I don't know when I need to throw my head. That's the problem. Now, maybe? Ah! Ah! No! No! I don't get this. I don't get this. I don't get the... Oh, wait, no. Maybe I have to do... I think I get it. No, I think I understand. Finally. Finally. But that's not what I needed to do. So first, a little... Ah, Mario! The frustration to have Mario as your brother! I just hate that I can't time this properly! There's nothing wrong with this game, but it's just me! Okay, Mario, how about we all put our heads together? Got time. How about we all jump? No, god damn it! Fuck! Timing, my sir, timing. Yes. No. What? What? Oh, I hate you. 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 Yes. No. 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 He almost got it. Yes. Yes. I knew it. I need to do it while I was running. I knew it. I needed to do something while I was running. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh, thank you so much, God. Thank you so much. I love you. Oh, okay. No! Okay, I can't go outside, so I need to go. Okay, if I'm fast enough. Oh! 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 Why am I not saying so much? I could have commented so many times! You saw it coming, right? Everybody saw this one coming. Oh my god. Ah, fuck! Yes, thank you. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, Mario, you trapped your own. You trapped yourself. Oh my god. Ah! I just waited. Yes, 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 yes. Ah! Oh god, wait, 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 wait. Yes. No! Oh, Mario! Woo! You're dead as shit, you! You're dead as shit! Okay. We did all of them. So, okay, I'm gonna end it here. In the next video, we will end it. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, press the like button. But for now, I'll see you in the next video. So may the power of the fox reach you the foxes out.